Yeah. You sent that letter in my mother's name, signed it Sarin. That wasn't grace, that was fraud dressed like concern. But I don't fight with police, I fight with truth. Gendah, they're gonna find out anyway. Gendah, they're coming for you. Not with cuffs, with truth that's due. You made a fake name, tried to play the law. Now the truth gon' shine on every flaw. Gendah, they're coming for you. Come on, moves quiet but always true. You can hide your face but you cannot run. What's written in light can be undone. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. That's how you begin. Type in poison like it's part of a plan. Talking about my house, talking about my wife, like gossip ever built a real life. You said you're not interested, not even if you're rich, but you send paragraphs, that's a different pitch. Said men stick together, women need code, but your message broke every rule you wrote. You used my mom's name, that's below the belt. Signs ring, thinking I wouldn't tell. Now the screenshot saved, the server's tracing everything you forged, already replaced. Gendah, they're coming for you. Not with cuffs, with truth that's due. You made a fake name, tried to play the law. Now the truth gon' shine on every flaw. Gendah, they're coming for you. Come on, moves quiet but always true. You can hide your face but you can outrun. What's written in light can be undone. You had no respect for your mom, so you tried to defame mine. That's generation of hurt in rhyme. You can marry your coach, live your show, but you'll always remember the name Gendah. Too bad you never heard me speak about island roots and the real mystique. Cause in a Jamaican king away, we bless our enemies and walk away. Your thought died bright, but I built again. Every lie you wrote turned into pen. You gave me motive, gave me heart. Now your letters just a beat of my heart. I won't curse you or narrate. Your truth got a rhythm the courts can't mute. What you forged for hate, I turn to proof. Music don't lie, it just tells the truth, yeah. Gendah, they're coming for you. Not with cuffs, with truth that's due. You made a fake name, tried to play the law. Now the truth gon' shine on every flaw. Gendah, they're coming for you. Come on, move quiet but always true. You can hide your face but you can outrun. What's written in light can be undone. Respectfully, protect your peace. Truth don't need noise, it just waits for the right time, then it speaks.